Fáilte go Leavingcertirish.com is mis Seán Galvín agus seo ceacht bunathe an scéal Prós díos cuid a dó I gcóir Prós na hárteiste. Leanna mí do raig sa chuid seo go dtí an céad cuid an scéal agus stoppa mar ag cad a dúr ís lei. Cad a dúr tú lei. What did you say to her? Chuile rud. Gach éin rud. Everything. Fúmsa leis. About me also. Or fui misha. Fui na rain a hashka. About the both of us. A hashka's like my dear a gra. Ná cur sé stocker. Don't let it upset you. Ní bhíonn éon amnacha leis an turvid. There's no names with the survey. Chuile rud na farsanta. Everything is impersonal. Comadar chuile ólis go discréadach férún. They keep all of the information discreetly férún fuirún under secret. Computer a dhéanaan amach an tora dere. It's a computer that makes out a dhéanaan amach that makes out an tora dere the result in the end. A dúirtí, she said. Ní cheappas riamh go main im lone computer. I never thought that I would be a computer father, if you like, that I was going to be the subject of a computer's computations. Strónseir maná a hiúil naisteach an taobh chuid agus tugann tú gach ólas tí fúine. Strónseir is like a strónseir. So down here is a strónseir, a stranger. So a stranger woman walks in to the house to you, agus tugann tú gach ólas tí fúine, and you give her every bit of information about us. Ach bhí job le déanamh aici, but she had to do a job. Néad fin gan cabhrú leihí. I couldn't not help her. I wasn't able to leave her standing there, if you like. An rud bocht, the poor thing. Tá she postal le Gavlín, she's married for 2 years. Agus bhreá lé linmh, and she'd love to have a child. Ach, an tárasán natá acu, but the apartment that they have, ní le bháilthigh an túnéir, the owner wouldn't allow, ní cheadóig an túnéir, the owner will not allow, éon leanamh ann, will not allow any child there. Agus tá the rain, tá vertigo, the two of them are, ag obair chun airgeatí a sholáthar. They're working to earn airgeatí, house money, in other words, money for a house. Mar inis tá leanamh cuathu, because now tá leanamh cuathu, they're expecting a child. Agus caithfidh siad a bheith amuigh, and they have to be out, as an orasan, out of the apartment. Agus níor bhaile go gcailleadh sé a post, and you wouldn't want her to lose her job. Wha. So she's kind of putting the pressure back on the husband, saying, well, I had to help her. You couldn't possibly want me to or affect her job in any way, so I had to help her. I had to give her the answers. Néad fin an doras a rúna sa fussarthaí. I couldn't close the door in her face. Madan úr fluch mar é. A cold, wet morning as it was. An bhéad could I have? Ach, ní le cheart a géine ólas phríomhádach mar sin all. But nobody has any right. Ólas phríomhádach mar sin, private information like that. So you couldn't have any ólas pársanta, is the phrase we'll use if you're giving or doing analysis on a story, or sundry pársanta would be personal details. You couldn't have a situation where personal details like that, or a person could get personal details like that. Ní dí féin a bhí sí álorg. It wasn't for herself. Ní dí féin. Ní raibh na freagraí dí féin. The answers weren't for her. Bhí srá ceistena tucaite. There was a series of questions. A srá is a series. So bhí srá ceistena tucaite le cur agus, she was given a series of questions le cur to ask. Agus na freagraí le scrí síos. And the answers had to be written down. Le scríomh síos. Okay? Job a bhí ann dí sin. It was a job for her. Job má leis. It was a good job too. An áirithe sin sa lá, an áirithe sin So an áirithe sin is like an méid seo. So an méid cinnte, if you like. A certain amount per day. Saló is like salá. Agus costa sí taistil and travel expenses. Beg mé ábalta an sir nua son a cheannach as. I'll be able to buy that new cooker. A cern nua is a new cooker. As. Tusa, conas. You, how? Bogreg inish. Settle down now. Ní chuig sé stach an gán uncum a gutsa. It won't affect the con is tax. So con uncum is income tax. So it won't affect that income tax of yours. Leválan siad an áirithe sin. Leválan siad. Ceadaíonn siad. They allow. So they allow that amount or a certain amount. Working wife's allowance mar thugann siad there. They call it the working wife's allowance. Aulas nach éon working wife too, as if you aren't a working wife ag baile at home. Agus cuma son. But that's all the same. Tá tusa conibbrú last May. You're going to be working outside. Cahan, when? Munar vista dom a ifri. When? If you don't mind me asking. Munar vista dom a ifri is if you don't mind me asking or inquiring. So when, if you don't mind me inquiring. So you're going to be working outside. In other words, you're going to be working outside the house. When are you going to be starting this, if you don't mind me asking? Níl ach ober chealadach. It's only part-time work, provisional work, if you like. A cad doing the shaldach would be a provisional driver's license. So it's only a part-time or provisional work. Unadíocht a dhéanamh di. Unadíocht. An unadí is like a substitute. So an unadíocht, it's standing in. A dhéanamh di. I'll be standing in for her. Fada bheidh sí san hospital, as long as she's in the hospital. Chun an leanamh a bheith having the child. Agus ina sin, and for a while after that. Given siad ráithe sira don leanamh. Given siad, fine siad. So they get a ráithe. A ráithe is 3 months as gaeilge. So given siad ráithe sira, they get a holiday, if you like, or to get a period of time off of 3 months. Don leanamh for the child. A cod marjouler de lanansa. But what about your own child? Turig me lumme sa basket. I'll take him with me in the basket. A goolan chor in the back of the car. No, ma vín sé dúise, or, if he's awake, in my vaclan. I bring him round in my arms. Caraveg on them. It'll be help for me. It's ma a higgin the tinker shin. The tinkers understand that well, or know that well. So now she's really after probably upsetting the husband, saying that she is going to be like the tinkers going around the town. Cadé, why is that? Cén bhainte táid tinkeri leis an gúram? What connection? Cén bhaint? What connection have the tinkers got? Leis an gúram, leis an obair atá le déanamh agat. So what connection is there between the tinkers and the work you're going to be doing? Ní gúnan dína doras hinker. People never close a door on a tinker, or a female tinker. Gomíon leanamh in a bachlan that has a child in their arm. Tigam, I understand now. Tá tú ag tógant an job seo. You're taking this job. Ag dul tinkeracht, going tinkering, if you like, but what it actually means is ag lor derka is the phrase we'd use as Gaeilge. You're going begging. O goras go doras, from door to door. Ag surveiracht o goras go doras. Surveying from door to door is what I'm going to be doing. Mar go bhfuil tú mí huna mí hásta sa tig, because you're unhappy, dissatisfied in the house? Cé dúirt é sin leat? Who told you that? Tusa, you did. Grouse mí huna mí hásta, that I was unhappy and dissatisfied. Ní dúirt riamh. I never said that ever before. Dúirísh, you told me. Sa turvey. In the, or you said it, sa turvey, in the survey. Féchan tora an son sa fopper. Look at the results there, look at the evidence there in the paper. Ah, sa turvey. Oh, in the survey. Ach sin scéal eile. That's another issue altogether. Ní gá gurb í an iarna a inchant tú sa turvey. Ní gá gurb í. There's no need. Ní gá is there's no need. An iarna a inchant. There's no need to tell the truth. A inchant sa turvey in the survey. Cut it down to what are you saying? Dá bheicfá an list of questions if you'd seen the list of questions. Fé rudí cho príomhádach. That's fí rudí cho príomhádach. So about such private things. Okay, so fé rudí cho príomhádach. Strónseir maná hiúil na stach. A strange woman walks in. Go dúirinse fisk gach éin nídi. They give her every bit of information if you like. So gonín showing gach éin rudí is the translation I have of it here. Mass ónsi atá a gut orm. Do you think that I'm some kind of a fool? Mass too. Okay, so mass ónsi. An gapan too, right? A kappa. No, an gapan too gur ónseach or an ónsi is a ludramon, a fool, in Egypt. Do you think I'm some kind of a fool? Dragrius a Cuid ceistena. I answered her questions. A dúirtleat, I told you. Sin rodel ar fad, but that's another matter altogether. Oh. Right? So now she's beginning to make it clear that she did answer the questions, but whether or not her answers were true is an entirely different matter. Agus mother leis an job, and in relation to the job, Tom all Hogan's con arrogate sir nua hilov, and I'm taking it to earn arrogate sir nua a hilov, to earn the money for a new cooker. Shitnilla, that's it. Irainsly. Anyhow, tussa finare. Anyhow, tussa is kuslash. You're the cause of it. You're the one who caused all this. So tussa tá fragrach is the translation I'm using here for that. So tussa tá fragrach as. Cadé, how's that? Misha finare. I'm the cause of it. Na rudi dúirt lei, the things you said to her. Misha, me. Visa gubber, I was working. Oh vish, oh you were. Nor vi an dival denta. When you'd done the harm, when the harm was already done. Cén dival is sin? What harm? What are you talking about? Ní cuivan lumanish cadienis. I'm not too sure cadienis, cadarinatu, what it was you did. Ach yenis rudagan an vad an son, but you did something that morning. A chur an governm, right? A chur an governm, a chur fargarm, that made me angry. No better gur be an ihe rivre fin, but maybe it was the night before, rivre fin, before it was, maybe it was the night beforehand, an ihe rivishin. Neither, I'm not sure. Ní lissigum. Agus vi an vad an chol grúma, and the morning was that gloomy. Agus an tig co tone her cown, and the house was that bonus cion is the phrase we'd probably normally use. Tone her cown. It was upside down all over the place. So the house was completely upside down. Tration der shocked after the weekend. Agus an billa ESB tresh shocked, and the ESB bill was after coming. Nor vúl she come when she came into me, ishtachlin a lista kestana, in with her list of questions. Chiapas gur nus os na flatas, a honig she come. I thought it was down from the heavens that she came. Oh, an saucif. Oh, the satisfaction a forus that I got. Squealalum fain, like it lured the mach fui gakra, talk, letting everything out, releasing everything out. Agus hurt o halav daraf. Agus hurt o halav daraf. Agus garan mór a yena fuin affair. That concludes this particular lesson. Don't forget to visit us on Leavingcertirish.com, and you can also connect with us on Facebook or Twitter via facebook.com/LeavingCertIrish or twitter.com/LC And any questions you might have, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll help you out. Gurmiel Magat.